guys to YouTube. Please support her and connect also. She only has 53 subscribers. Guys, please support Ruby. David has lots of subscribers. It isn't necessary for it isn't necessary to help David. Sorry, David. Leon, are you there? Salamat, sis Lori. Leon, how are you? Thank you for dropping, Leon. How are you, Leon, for today? Ang lakas ng hangin dito. Kaninang umaga, sis Lo, malakas ang hangin dito. Leon, hello, how was school? Hey, Leon from Ruby, good. Leilani, I am beyond help. Thank you so much, David. I am your #1 fan, you know, David. I'm good from Leon. Hey, Lorico, Leon Olson at Pom Kakuda from Ogre Coins. Guys, please support Ogre Coins. He has only more than 200 subscribers. If you can connect to him, it's a very big help. And to Ruby, she only has 53 subscribers. If you can support her, guys. She only started her channel. I don't know his David quality. That's why I didn't put him a moderator before because he didn't stayed. Hello, Ogir from Lorico. Ogir from Ruby Gems. Leon, Ruby, thank you for visiting my live this morning. Leon, aren't you going to school? David, I'm sorry I couldn't visit your live. Perhaps you can live at this time so that we can support you here in Europe, you know. Because sometimes in the morning we are busy and we cannot support you. But one time I visited your live, if you remember. No problems, David. I like to support. Yes, Leon and Ruby are very supportive friends. Leilani, I am educating Leon on comedy. That was too early, Leon, you know. 7:40. Hola, Bunso. Ay, hola, Bunso. Hello, Bunso. Nakawig na ba kayo, Bunso? Sis Lori, salamat ha. Inang Pom, salamat sa pag-stay. 11 million people in the house. Mega love shoutout to everyone. Gawin na lang natin isang oras ito, guys, para makapagpahinga ako and then later on mag-start si Inang Pom. Hello, Ads Diary from Ogir. Sis Ads, mega love shoutout from Sis Leia. Salamat sa BGBG Inang Pom. Hello, Ate Leia from Ads Diary. Sis Ads from Sis Lori. Leilani, you make my day better. Oh! You make me smile, Leon. Thank you so much, Leon. Ads Diary, hello. Can I have a date? David, be careful, David. Sis Carmen is there. Hello, Sis Lore from Ads. Hello, Ruby and Ogir from Ads Diary. Hello, David from Ads. Hi, Leon from HLG. Leilani makes my day longer. But you know, David, I am becoming, what we call this, younger because you make me smile every now and then, you know. And thank you, David, for making me smile every day. Leilani, you are such a nice, genuine person. Oh, thank you so much, Ruby. Thank you so much for your kind words. I really appreciate it. I know, David. That's Ads Diary. You know, guys, Ads Diary is the youngest of the Mosang. Thank you, Leon. You're such a good guy. You know, Leon, I really appreciate you, you know. I hope the smiles doesn't crease your face too much. You know, they say if you smile too much or laugh too much, you will have wrinkles, you know. Congratulations, Leon. You already have 71 subscribers. Congratulations. You see? It's getting higher.